I mean, I was disappointed at today's proceedings. I think Nnamdi's lawyer did a magnificent job in presenting the very, very strong case for bail, consistent with the Nigerian Supreme Court's decision saying when you flee to protect your life, you're not breaching a bail condition. But I want to assure all Biafrans everywhere, the work goes on, the cause endures, the hope still lives, the dream never dies. We will continue to persist, inspired by Nnamdi Kanu's greatness in confronting just staggering pain, suffering, etc., for the cause of so many, the living and those yet to be born. And we are confident that justice ultimately will prevail.
Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So this is what transpired today at the Federal High Court concerning the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the federal government of Nigeria. Justice Binta Nyako's court has adjourned Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's trial and bail ruling until 19th and 20th of March 2024. The thing is that what a lot of people cannot help but point out is that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu looks very sick. I mean, men looking at this man, you can see that his health has really deteriorated, and this man is just surviving by the grace of God, which was also cited by his legal counsel, and on this ground they are requesting for his bail. Now I'm going to be giving you guys the full details of what transpired in court today. But I saw this video of UK Prime Minister requesting for the unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who is a UK citizen. Before I let you guys watch the video, I want to beg you all to please help me by liking and sharing this video so that YouTube and Facebook can recommend it to more people.
2021, Mr. Nnamdi Kanu, a British citizen, was abducted by Nigerian security forces in Nairobi, Kenya. Since his detention, he has been subjected to torture and many other unpleasantries. A United Nations Rights Council report released a damning assessment of Nigeria's government's treatment and called for his immediate release. My right honourable friend from Camberwell and Peckham has worked tirelessly on behalf of Mr Kanu and is urging the Foreign Secretary to do more to secure his release. Nigeria is a Commonwealth nation that receives tens of millions in UK aid. It is one of the biggest benefactors of aid. Part of this aid support must be a commitment to human rights and upholding the right to fair trials. Mr Kanu must be given access to a fair and due process. A British citizen travelling on the British passport should not be kidnapped in a third country and dragged to a Nigerian prison. The government needs to get much tougher.
Alright, Justice Binta Nyako's court adjourned Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's trial and bail ruling until 19th and 20th of March 2024. The defense team of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu moved application for bail citing his ill health condition. However, the prosecuting counsel moved against the bail application, arguing that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be denied bail, citing that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu could jump bail again as he did in his previous bail. In response, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer disagreed with the motion and then proceeded to remind the Honorable Court that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not actually or intentionally jump bail the first time. The defendant's counsel reiterated that the military of the federal government went into the home of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on 14th of September 2017 to kill him. Eventually, they couldn't succeed in assassinating him but killed over 30 people in his house, including his cousin. Recall that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been kept in solitary confinement in DSS dungeon for over 3 years since his illegal rendition from Kenya. Meanwhile, Binta Nyako denied granting the bail motion moved by Kanu's counsel, instead gave a marching order for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to stop wearing his usual Fendi outfit to court appearances, and then adjourned the bail ruling to 19th and 20th of March 2024. These people, they will never cease to amuse us. All right, let me just take some comment and reactions from some Nigerians, then I'll let you guys watch some videos. Someone here says, for what again? Judgment adjourned to 19th March 2024. Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor and Mike Ezokome has freed our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which court pronounced discharged and acquitted. All must hail Biafra, children of light. Another person here says, Binta Nyako is now afraid of Fendi design. Okay, this is what made me laugh. It says, Binta Nyako is now afraid of Fendi design inside the courtroom in Nigeria. Wonders shall never end. Federal government of Nigeria have decided to use Justice Binta Nyako to stop Nnamdi Kanu from wearing Fendi design, since that gesture could attract the attention of fashion industry. Another person here says, Binta Nyako adjourned the hearing of bail application and she didn't deny it. And this person here says, if the court wouldn't allow him to wear the Fendi, then the DSS shouldn't prevent him to wear our native attire, which is the Isiago tiger. Another person here says, I don't still understand what concerns Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. These people are so funny, wallahi. What concerns Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Fendi wear and court case? Nigeria is really a joke. Indeed, my people. This comment here says, you guys have cancelled Sowore case. What is stopping you guys from releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Sunday Igboho was set free, who is also a freedom fighter like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So why still holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? With your incorruptible mind, judge by yourself. May your judgment be fair. All right, my people, and that is it for you all. I'm just going to let you guys watch this video of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu inside the court, and I will leave you all to share your thoughts with me on the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye. Bye.
Court hearing today. How do you see
I was invited to come and observe the court hearing, and I was told by his lawyers that a bail application had been filed so that he can be granted freedom. Nnamdi Kanu was not brought to this country legally. He was abducted, or you want to use a better word, kidnapped in Kenya, and put on a plane. The Kenyan government is even saying they don't know how he was arrested in Kenya or abducted. So the process of bringing him to court was illegal. So you cannot rectify that illegality with, another legality, which is bringing him before a court and then trying him for an offense that he has not committed. But let's even look at their own legal system. From the court here of first instance, where he was first brought, the Court of Appeal granted a ruling, a judgment, that Kanu committed no offense. A week later, they went and did their rule, they stayed the judgment. They went to the court of, the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, even though they didn't want to speak the truth, said that what they did in bringing him to Nigeria was illegal.
Yes.
They were just speaking, maybe they were ashamed or afraid of themselves. They couldn't speak the truth. Otherwise, they would have quashed the charges at that level. Go and look at it. Nobody has read the ruling of the Supreme Court. The ruling will tell you that the Supreme Court nearly discharged and acquitted Nnamdi Kanu. But I think because of the hands of these people on the ground, a lot of water passes under our justice system bridges. So if you are bringing him to court and you have said that he did not jump bail, that is what the Supreme Court said. Because somebody who is living in his house quietly, respecting the law, and he went and invaded the place and he escaped barely by whiskers, cannot be said to have jumped bail. That's what the Supreme Court says. So if he didn't jump bail, what the judge would have said today, we don't even need another application for a new bail application. It's just to restore that his bail that he was enjoying before the Nigerian army went and violently violated the bail conditions of that period. That's what they should have done today.